Wave Optics Numerical, March 2022. Two slits separated by 1 mm in Young's double slit experiment are illuminated by a violet light of wavelength 400 nanometer. The interference fringes are obtained on the screen placed at 1 meter from the slits. Find the fringe width. If the violet light is replaced by a red light of wavelength 700 nanometer, find the percentage change in fringe width. Okay, what are the given things? We are given here the wavelength of light initially used is to the 400 nanometer, and two slits, they are separated by 1 mm. Here the separation between the slits small d is 1 mm, and the distance between slits and screen is 1 meter, and the wavelength of light initially used, that is 400 nanometer. Now you need to find the fringe width. Here beta is equals to question mark, or beta 1 is equals to question mark. That is the first part. Second part alli nodri, if the violet light is replaced by the red light, so this is violet light replaced by a red light of wavelength 700 nanometer, you need to find the percentage change in fringe width. Now the fringe width is beta 2. Initially estitu fringe width beta 1 ittu. Now there is a change in fringe width right now, that is beta 2. We need to find the percentage change in the fringe width. Here percentage change hege ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ, that is beta 2 minus beta 1 divided by beta 1 into 100. That what gives, this gives the percentage change in fringe width. This is our new fringe width, this is initial fringe width, difference divided by initial fringe width into 100, that gives the percentage change in fringe width. First we need to find fringe width. Okay, the given things are d is equal to 1 mm, lambda 400 nanometer, small capital D is 1 meter, and you need to calculate beta 1. Here for lambda 2, 700 nanometer, that is 700 into 10 raised to minus 9 meter. Percentage change in fringe width beta 2 minus beta 1 divided by beta 1 into 100. Okay, first we need to find beta 1. Beta 1 is equal to lambda 1 into capital D divided by small d. Lambda 1 in the 400 into 10 raised to minus 9, that is 400 nanometer. Capital D in the 1. Here lambda 1, that is 400 nanometer, and capital D is 1 meter. ಅದನ್ನೇ ನಾವು ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿರೋದಿಲ್ಲ. Lambda small capital D and small d, that is the separation between the slits, ಎಷ್ಟು the 1 mm. 1 mm means that is 1 into 10 raised to minus 3. Here capital small d is 1 into 10 raised to minus 3. 10 raised to minus 3 ಮೇಲೆ ಹೋಗಲಿ ಏನಾಯಿತು, 10 raised to plus 3. minus 9 plus 3 ಎಷ್ಟಾಯಿತು, minus 6 ಆಯಿತು. 400 into 10 raised to minus 6 meter. Or beta 1 is equal to 0.4 into 10 raised to minus 3 meter, or it is 0.4 millimeter ಅಂತನೂ ಹೇಳಬಹುದು. That is beta 1. Okay. Next, if the violet light is replaced by red light of wavelength 700 nanometer, that is lambda 2 is equal to 700 nanometer. ಅರ್ಥ 700 into 10 raised to minus 9 meter. ಈಗ beta 2 is equal to lambda 2 into capital D divided by small d. Capital D small d change ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ, only wavelength ಅಷ್ಟೇ change ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ. Here only we are changing a wavelength of light. Okay, capital D is same as early, that is 1 meter, and small d also same. Only ಏನು change ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರಿ, wavelength change ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರಿ. violet ಇತ್ತು, ಈಗ red 700 nanometer. Substitute lambda 2, that is 700 nanometer, D is 1 meter, small d is 1 millimeter, and on calculation you will get beta 2 is equal to 700 into 10 raised to minus 6 meter, or beta 2 is equals to 0.7 into 10 raised to minus 3 meter. ಇದೇನು ಬಂತು, ಬೀಟಾ 2 ಬಂತು, ಅಥವಾ ಇದು ನಾನು 0.7 millimeter ಅಂತಲೂ ಬರೀಬೋದು, ಏನು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. ನಾವು ಪರ್ಸೆಂಟೇಜ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಇನ್ ಫ್ರಿಂಜ್ ವಿಡ್ತ್ ಹೇಗೆ ಬರಿತೀರಿ? ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಬೀಟಾ 2 ಮೈನಸ್ ಬೀಟಾ 1 ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ ಬೀಟಾ 1 ಇಂಟು 100 ಅಂತ ಬರಿತೀವಿ. ಬೀಟಾ 2 ಎಷ್ಟದೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಬೀಟಾ 2 0.7 ಇಂಟು 10 raised to minus 3 minus 0.4 into 10 raised to minus 3 divided by 0.4 into 10 raised to minus 3 into 100. 0.7 minus 0.4, this is 0.3. 0.3 divided by 0.4, this get cancel. Okay, ಇದು 3 by 4 ಆದಂಗೆ, ಇದು 3 by 4 ಅಂದರೆ 0.75 into 100 means change in fringe width ಎಷ್ಟು 75% change ಆಗಿದೆ. Now change in fringe width ಎಷ್ಟು, that is if you replace the violet light by red light of wavelength 700 nanometer, the change in fringe width, the percentage change in fringe width ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ, 75% ಆಗುತ್ತೆ.